Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about this Burp Suite blurry display problem. So recently I installed Burp Suite version 2022 and one of the problems I faced was this blurry display. So I'll show you. This is a fresh installation of Burp Suite. It's nothing fancy. I didn't do. Just wanted to save some time for you guys in the video so that I don't take much time in the video. So we'll just compare it with the background. So here you can see with the comparison on the background how much blurry it is. In the background it is very clear, but in the window of this app it's not much clear. So let's see how we can solve this problem. First you have to navigate to the folder where this website is installed. You can just navigate like this. You can here find the path of that. So I already know the path, so I'm just navigating to it. So my installation is in D drive, but differs from installation to installation how you install. So in this folder it has been installed. So what you have to do is you have to right click, properties, compatibility, and here you can see the change high DPI settings. Change high DPI settings, and you have to override high DPI scaling behavior performed by application. What this means is it will override the DPI settings done by the application. The problem why this kind of blurry vision like blurry display appears is because of some Java scaling problem. So what it will do is it will override the application and it will sort this blurry display problem. So let's see how it works. I have just applied it and we have to restart this application. So now you can see that I have restarted it and now you can see that how much clear it has become. So I'll just start with, I have already started the proxy with the loopback address and port 8080, and we'll capture some requests to make sure if it's working fine. I'll start the intercept here as well and load google.com. So here you can see that the raw text of this post request is sorry, get request is not that much visible. It's very much barely visible. So for this problem, this is one of the problems that will occur if you change that DPI settings. So for that, what you can do is you can just go to this user options, display, and here in the font, you can select this console as font. You can select whatever font you want, but this one is quite very clear when I experimented. So when you go back, you can see that it's very much clear. So the next thing, what I wanted to tell you is one of the problem is you can see that it's very much small. Whatever here is very much small and everything is small. So if I want to see it bigger, I can change the font settings as well. If I do from 11 to 30, it will just zoom in, but it is not an ideal option for this font settings. There is one more option what you can do to make this font in bigger, or you can just scale it up, is by changing the settings here in this VM options file. This is also in the same folder as the installation folder. And in here, you have to add this setting tsun 2.8. So what this 2.8 value is, this is an optimal value for my display, and it differs from display to display. So you can just experiment. I'll just show you what if I change this to 1. So you can see how much downscaling it is doing. I'll just show you. I'll just close it up. I save this and start Burp again. You can see that how much small the application has become. So this is not useful for us. So I'll just close it up and just make the value as 2.8. You can just experiment on these values. It's not like if you change some values, it will just reflect in the Burp application as well. So I'll just make it to 2.8 and just open Burp Suite. I guess I didn't save. Let me just close it up again and save it. So now it's open. And now you can see that very much clear, how much clear it has become. And you can see the text over here that is showing up a lot of data. So I think it's all set up. So there are some issues that we need to sort it out before starting your pen testing or web app testing or whatever it is. So just faced this scenario recently, and I didn't find enough materials in the web. So I just want to share it with you guys. So if anybody has the same problem, can resolve it. So that's it from my side. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.